when we talk about the bedroom, I think the most important item is the bed. So here is the one I choose from furniture. I like this one because from the design it looks quite nice, and also you can see from the headboard it's like a wave and it's in navy, and so the color makes it more like the sea or the ocean. So here is quite nice, and also likes to look some small details. So like here when we go to the headboard, you can see the sideboard here on each side like two small little ears. So this one is one aspect so I like, because if I want to just lay back, so you can lay this side as well. And also of course if you want to like some read books, you can just do like this. So this one, I think this is better than without it. And also from secondly, I think if you want to like, if you sit this side, so you can also lay back, so you will not fall down. And also, so here is one design I like. And also when we talk about the function or the storage of the bed, I think a lot of customers know that we have the storage function and non-storage function, because this one is without storage function, because you can see the legs, which is quite simple. And also the advantage of this one is you can clean the floor here. So you can see it's nothing here. You can use some vacuuming, so you can just go down directly, so which is more clean and tidy in our daily life. And I think for some ladies or some families, we have a lot of things to store. So that's why maybe some people would like to choose the one with storage function. So you can see the picture from screen now. This is the one with storage function with the gas lifting. And also, of course, secondly, you can choose the drawers function one. So these are good because you can just put some things that you don't use quite frequently. So this is a bed, and also of course for the size, you can choose from king or queen size or the single bed. So just let us know the one you need. So I think besides the bed, you need something to store some books or some necessaries. So here, this is the one I choose. This one is quite simple and is made of the MDF, and the black part is MDF with the black painting, and here is the MDF with the veneer paper. So this one is quite simple and also with the golden handle, so which is quite convenient. And also I like the design here because it's higher than the top, so you can see I will not let the books or some lamp or some candles fall down to the floor easily. So I think this one is kind of great match. And for the color, I think this the black or the wooden is quite matchable for the most of the decoration. And also I think this one is kind of a great match. So this is one corner. So right now let's go to another corner. This is another side of the bedroom. So first of all, I pick up a leisure chair. So here I think this one is quite important in the bedroom, because at night when we are taking rest on the bed, we need some place to put our purse or some clothes. So this one, I think the leisure chair is big enough to put all the things. So here the leisure chair from the outlet, you can see is quite like comfortable, and it looks nice for most of the markets. And also I think this one from the price is most reasonable. So right now, so here I would like to talk more about it. You can see when I just sit down here, the angle is perfect because the inside part is just lower than the out part, so which is quite comfortable. And also of course for the size, you can see you can put like some clothes here on the arms, and also you can put some purse here. So I think this one is quite important. And also from the design or the color of the leisure chair. Just now I just showed a blue bed and a black cabinet. So here I think the green is just kind of jumping. So here I would like to recommend one fabric and the color. So here, actually, this fabric is the one I highly recommend because you can see the white color here. So here, you can see it's quite large. So actually, we made a sample before. So this one looks really, really nice with this kind of woolly fabric. And also, I think if you put it with if you put a white literature here, it can match up to your bed, the color of anything. So, and also secondly, in the bedroom, I hope it will be quite cozy and warm. So this fabric will bring you that feeling. And also, of course, if you would like to choose some other colors, of course, you can see the series here. So this is the function of the literature. And also you can imagine if you put this one beside your window, sometimes you want to look outside, so this one is a really, really nice item. And also, secondly, for example, I think we need some like this kind of desk. And also if you would like to work or do some makeup, you can also move this chair here. So right now I will move it. So right now here, I think the height is quite good. For example, if you are living in a small apartment, you don't need to buy too much items in a room because it's quite crowded. So this one you can just use it with the table as well. So you can see the height is quite good. And because here is the desk with the makeup function, so you can see the mirror. And also, I think for some ladies, if we do some makeup or we want to put something here, so this is a good place. And also the height is perfect to each other. And also you can just make some makeups. And you can see the drawer here. Maybe of course you would like to put some of the makeups or some small stuffs here, so which is quite convenient. And also here, of course, if you are living in a small bedroom, so this one can be also an item so you can work or study. So you can put a computer or some books here either. So here is the 4 items I choose for this bedroom. So of course, if you would like to choose the color of the fabric, that will be the perfect. And also here, I think today I choose the 4 items I choose are quite essential in the bedroom. And also here are 4 items I would like to recommend for the people who live in the small apartments. And I think small apartment is kind of trendy in recent years for some countries like China or Mexico. And so if you are living in a small room, we can just build up a cozy place. So that is something I would like to introduce today. So if you would like to get to know more information of these items, or you want to know more recommendation on the bed, the literature, or more categories, so leave us a message below. And so that is everything for today's video. So thank you for watching. I will see you next time.